Not all gas is the same. Everyone is familiar with natural gas. Its strengths lie in the fact that it is readily and constantly available. Whether for heating, cooking, or power generation, you can rely on gas. Biomethane, the pioneer of the circular economy, comes from biomass and can be used in the same way as natural gas. Hydrogen has the potential to play first fiddle in the future. Hydrogen allows us to store wind and solar power and make the energy future a reality. Synthetic methane comes from hydrogen and CO2. When it's used, the previously extracted CO2 is returned to the atmosphere, a cycle modeled on nature herself. Gas is clean, versatile, and offers multiple options for energy supply, for today, tomorrow, and beyond.